Is now the right time to buy or sell the SOXL ETF? In this video, we will take a deep dive into SOXL, providing you with a more detailed analysis than our initial report published on our website on Tuesday, January 30, 2024. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. By doing so, you won't miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Supercharge your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 8, 2024, our system has identified SOXL as a buy candidate and assigned it a score of 1.68. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Investors who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 17.94% since we first listed SOXL as a buy candidate 16 days ago. This translates to an average return of 1.12% per day since it was identified as a buy candidate. The ETF is currently experiencing a strong upward trend in the short term, indicating a potential further rise. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a projected 79.69% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 62.66% to 106.88%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a suggested 50.41% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging from -20.77% to 69.03%. This translates to a price range of $26.56 to $56.68 after a year. Our latest daily update for the SOXL ETF brings good news. It has been upgraded to a buy candidate. On the last trading day, Tuesday, January 30, 2024, the price of the SOXL ETF experienced a decrease of -4.45%, dropping from $35.09 to $33.53. Throughout the day, the ETF had a fluctuation of 6.29%, ranging from a low of $33.05 to a high of $35.13. It's worth noting that the price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days, showing an overall increase of 14.87% over the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is generally considered a positive sign as volume should follow the ETF. Specifically, the trading volume decreased by -1 million shares, with a total of 52 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $1.73 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price the ETF reached was $39.53, while the lowest price was $12.52. Currently, the price is 15.18%, or $6, below the 52-week high, and a significant 91.14%, or $344.71, below the all-time high recorded on November 26, 2020, when it reached $378.24. Let's take a look at the signals for SOXL. The SOXL ETF currently has a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. This means that the short-term average is above the long-term average, indicating a general buy signal for the ETF and a positive forecast for the stock. If the ETF continues to gain, it will face resistance from the short-term moving average at around $35.49. On the other hand, if it falls, it will find support from the long-term average at approximately $30.36. A break above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will trigger a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. However, there have also been some negative signals that may impact the near short-term development. On Wednesday, January 24, 2024, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a decline of -10.54% so far. It is expected to fall further until a new bottom pivot is identified. It is worth noting that the volume decreased along with the price during the last trading day. This reduces the overall risk, as volume should typically follow price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots suggest a sell signal 5 days ago. Bollinger Bands show a buy signal 33 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average suggests a buy signal 17 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 56 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can see the short moving average indicates a buy signal 10 days ago. The long-term moving average suggests a buy signal 53 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 41 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for the SOXL ETF. When it comes to support levels, the SOXL ETF has two important ones. Just below its current level, there is support at $31.19 and $28.43, based on accumulated volume. It's worth noting that when an ETF tests a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If the support level is broken, the ETF may fall to the next support level. In this case, if $31.19 is broken, the next support will be at $28.43 and $28.10. It's important to mention that this ETF exhibits high volatility, meaning it can experience significant price movements throughout the day. Additionally, its Bollinger Band indicates a wide prediction interval, further adding to its classification as a very high-risk ETF. On the last trading day, the ETF had a price range of $2.08 or 6.29% between its high and low points. Over the past week, its average daily volatility has been 6.44%. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for SOXL. Let's start with the upward trend. The first resistance level for SOXL is at $34.86. If you're not currently holding any shares, it might be wise to wait until this level is breached before entering a position. However, if you already own the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, SOXL faces its first support level at $31.19. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, with the potential for a rebound. Our recommended stop loss for this ETF is set at $31.61, which represents a decrease of 5.72%. It's important to note that this ETF experiences significant daily movements, which in turn increases the level of risk involved. We have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was detected 4 days ago. Is the SOXL ETF a good investment? Based on our analysis, there are several positive short-term signals and a generally positive trend for the SOXL ETF. As a result, we believe there is a buying opportunity at the current level. In fact, we have upgraded our analysis conclusion from a hold/accumulate to a buy candidate since our last evaluation. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price of the SOXL ETF is undervalued. Looking ahead to Wednesday, January 31st, we expect the SOXL ETF to open up at $33.90, an increase of $0.374 from the previous close. Before we begin, it's important to understand that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly advise you to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest, where we provide you with our current view of the stock market. We value your opinion, so please let us know if you agree or disagree with our analysis by commenting below. We are also interested in hearing your target for the ETF. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. We sincerely hope you have a successful trading experience and enjoy a beautiful day. Thank you for being a part of our Stock Invest community.